You know, I never planned on getting one of these. I just thought it was just, you know, I mean, it's cool looking and everything else, but it's just too small and there's no place to run it. And then I watched John's video over at Holmes Hobbies and just thought he had a genius idea, just using Legos, making a crawler course out of that. So I went to Hobbytown. I spent $99 and bought this, and then I went on Amazon, spent another $25, bought this base right here, and I didn't get Legos, of course, but I got a building block set, and it comes with like a little variety of stuff in here. So I just thought that was a genius idea. So I mean, you can sit around your desk for hours and just build up whatever you want to build up. I mean, I just thought it was just such a great idea. I mean, it just looked like so much fun. So we're gonna try this out right now. Mess with this, and like I said, it's one thing about great about this is you can change it up the way you want to, build it however you want to, and let me get this turned on. Now I like this little truck. It's a little noisy, but not that big of a deal. But I just thought that was so cool. He got his Legos out, and of course, you know, I'd say majority of us had Legos when we were kids. I had Legos and I had Tinker toys. And of course I always wanted Lincoln Logs, but my parents never bought me those. I think they were just more expensive. But that's so cool. And like I said, it's just endless possibilities on what you want to do. I mean, like, there's so many options right here on how you want to build something. I mean, we can start building this up. There's so many little pieces here. So much you can do with it. Actually, I don't want the little ones right there. Give me some more big ones.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
There's some more big ones here. Let's get that there. Put that there. And let's just keep building it up. I've always wondered how high we can get this to go. So we'll build it up a little bit more. Now, like I said, just run it like that. I probably should make it a little bit wider. Actually, this is just great. You can just change it up anytime you want to, and I just thought that was just such a great idea. And this little thing, very capable. Well, cleared that blue block, no problem. But just, how cool is that? I mean, especially if you get little kids, oh, they'd have a blast with this. I mean, if they've already got Legos, you can get them this. If not, like I said, all these building blocks, this little base was just 25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. But it's just so much fun. Especially, you know, with being in winter right now, weather's gonna get bad. Need something to do. I can see kids or even us adults spending hours on this just to help kill boredom. I'm really wondering how tall I can make this though. See how well we can climb. And I love Home Hobbies. I mean, I buy a lot of motors from them. I got a lot of retro sports for my Tamiyas and Kyoshos and stuff like that. And then I also do have one of their crawler motors. Can't remember which one I got, but I do have one in one of my crawlers. And just had very great luck with all of this stuff. Like I said, I just thought this was a great idea. Just fun and keep yourself occupied, or the kids occupied. And these things are cheap enough. They'll get a couple of them, have little competitions. Look at that. It went right over it like nothing. And of course, you know, we can make it more complicated. Get another one of these right here, put it side by side. You make a little course bigger, make an actual course to drive around. I mean, but this is just so cool. But I thought I'd share this. Like I said, I know a lot of people watch John over at Holmes Hobbies. But like I said, I just thought he's a genius for just thinking of this. I mean, we're all big kids. So, I mean, anything to keep us happy and put a smile on your face, this is the way to go. Like I said, I just need to come up with better ways to make a good crawler area. Like I said, I probably want to get another one of these. I can have it where it turns and goes over and makes a corner right here. You can make a bridge possibly. Oh, that'd be a cool idea. But cool. But anyway, that's just something I want to show y'all. I'll put a link to his video down in the description below, and I'll have links in the video for all this stuff too. But just a quick little video of just something fun, like I said, for you or the kids. But anyway, guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.